Dopamine is a substance made from an amino acid called tyrosine. It is secreted mainly in the brain and less in the blood. Dopamine is also produced in most animals and even in some plants. Adrenaline, noradrenaline, and dopamine made from tyrosine are together called catecholamines. In the brain, dopamine is highly concentrated in two areas. One is involved in the control of movements and the other in the reward system and motivation. Dopamine in these regions has mostly a suppressive effect. When we eat a delicious meal, when we pass an exam, when our favorite team wins, when we do any pleasurable activity, the reward center in the brain is stimulated. This stimulation releases dopamine. Addictive substances produce a similar feeling of reward by directly releasing dopamine. These substances are therefore a form of self-deception. The function of dopamine as a hormone secreted into the bloodstream is not well understood. It increases the contractile force of the heart and the excretion of salt from the kidneys, promotes vascular relaxation in the kidneys and digestive tract. It increases systolic pressure. It also suppresses milk production. The dopamine system is involved in many neurological and psychiatric diseases. Parkinson's, schizophrenia, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, and addiction are some of them. Parkinson's disease is caused by the death of dopamine-producing neurons involved in movement control. The most common symptoms of Parkinson's are tremors, slowness of movement, muscle rigidity, and body positioning disorder. As the disease progresses slowly, symptoms unrelated to the muscular system may also appear in later stages. Dopamine is also used as a treatment in some special cases. Dopamine or its analogs are indicated in various cardiovascular diseases, in emergency procedures, in Parkinson's disease, and in women who do not menstruate.